So here's what we're going to be building. We're going to be building a Telegram AI agent that understands our voice and text-based messages. That Telegram agent is then going to be connected to n8n, which we're going to use as our orchestration layer. That will be connected to an LLM, which we'll use to extract information from the messages, whether it's a voice note or a text message. And we'll be utilizing an AI agent with tools to allow us to integrate with things like Google Calendar, Gmail, and a CRM as well. So whether you're a busy founder or developer, this is for you. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to create a new Telegram bot, because we need to create a new conversation for this, and then it has a new access token for a particular conversation as well. So I'm going to open up the bot folder and I'm going to type in new bot. Let's call this Code Creations Personal Assistant. Username, okay, CC 2025 PA bot. Great. So really easy. We can set up a bot like this, and then all we need to do is we need to just copy this access token and add this as credentials within n8n. So if I come back to this view and I click on create credential, let's create a Telegram API, and we're going to put the access token into here and name it something relevant as well. Telegram Code Creations account version 2. This is what we're going to use to connect n8n to the Telegram conversation. It's going to allow us to listen to new messages, reply, and do everything that we need to do within Telegram. So this is a really important step. Some of the other credentials that you're going to need to use as well. So you're going to need to authenticate your Google Mail and your Google Calendar as well, and Google Sheets if you want to make use of the CRM part of this project too. So now let's come back here and let's start again. Right, so now we set up the credentials. Let me just come back to Telegram very quickly. It also prompts you to open up the Telegram bot as well. So I'm going to click on this link. That will create the conversation here. And if I click on start, that will then add it to my panel on the left-hand side as well. So that's great. Now we have our conversation within Telegram and we can get started. So let's create our trigger. We're just going to be using a Telegram trigger here, and we want to trigger it based on a message within a conversation. So we're going to connect it to the credentials that we've just chosen. We're going to trigger it on a message, and there's no other sort of like additional fields that we need to add here for now. So that all looks fine. So now let's test this step, and it's already picked up on the start message that came through anyway. So let's just do this one more time. With our own message, and you can see that it's picked up on the hello message, so that's good. Let's pin this for now so that we can keep track of this and we don't have to keep rerunning this every single time. Good, so we have our Telegram trigger now. One thing that's really nice with these sorts of Telegram bots is to try and improve the user experience and to try and make the experience a little bit more conversational rather than just a back and forth sort of thing. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to send a message straight away back to the human, i.e. me in this case. Basically just saying, you know, received your message, I'm working on it, essentially. So just sending a confirmation message back to the user. So we're going to send a message. Once again, use the right credentials. We're going to use the chat ID from the data that came from the Telegram trigger here. And we're just going to say, I'm on it. Just thinking. And then what we can do as well in this reply markup is we can, within the additional fields, we can go to reply to message ID, and then we can put the message ID in here as well. Once again, taking it from the Telegram trigger. So if we take the message ID here, then what this will do is it will just show up as a reply to the message that I just sent. So let's test this step now. Notice I've just got a notification on Telegram. So Telegram received my message, and it basically just replies straight back to me saying, okay, I'm on it, just thinking. So I'll be back in a moment, essentially. So that's quite a nice thing just for a user experience point of view.